Good morning. It's Chef Santa. This morning we're going to do a tortilla wrap egg omelet type of a breakfast. I seen it on a channel and I love the way they do this. They put the egg down, all the toppings, and then they lay the tortilla on top so the egg will suck to the tortilla, and then you just roll it. So I'm trying to eat good the next couple days because Tuesday I'm going to have some teeth removed and I don't know what I'm going to be able to eat for about a week. Anyway, the reason I'm also asking is if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'm asking you to please like the video if you like it, subscribe, comment below, and also tell your friends. I'm trying to get my subscriber base boosted, so any help would be greatly appreciated. I want to get over that 1,000 mark. I'm like 370 or something like that now. So this way here, maybe I can make $1 or $2 a month with doing YouTube videos. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and we'll... Okay. I got a little bit of butter melted in the bottom. This is 4 eggs. I like to get them going so they firm up a little bit. And this works better in a skillet that's non-stick. This one's pretty good. And then I just keep mixing it a little bit. But you don't want it to go into total scrambled eggs because you want to have it that it gets, you know, the full pan of egg. Okay? I got some mushrooms and some bacon chips. We're going to do some spinach. Some avocado. Some mozzarella cheese. Spread this all around. Okay, then we take the tortillas and we put them on top. And then I'm going to remove that from the heat because I got an electric skillet, you know, electric pan. So, and we're going to cover it a little bit just to get the heat to steam the tortillas. Alright, I'm going to let this cook for a little bit and we'll be right back. Okay, folks, I've flipped it out onto the plate. And now what we're going to do is we're going to start to roll it. Okay, I'm going to slide it back into the pan. And we're going to let it get the tortillas to warm up a little bit more so they get soft and pliable. And that'll also melt the cheese that'll stick to the tortilla. That's why we put the cheese in last. This is going to be 2 breakfasts. I'm going to cut it in half, eat half this morning, and probably eat the other half tomorrow morning. Okay, as you can see, that came unglued. But all you have to do is just turn it back over and re-roll it. Okay, so let's see now what we got here. There you have it, folks. It looks a little messy because the tortillas didn't, as you can see the mozzarella down there. Hey, all things happen every once in a while. You just got to do what you need to do. So, love this camera work. Anyway, as always, stay safe, stay strong, stay healthy. God bless and enjoy life. Here in Georgia today, it's raining, so I'm going to stay inside. And as always, mangia tutta cosa, eat the whole thing. God bless. Okay, I re-rolled it, and I put a little bit of A1 and hot sauce on top. And it's going to be good.